Hi friends, in this video we will understand the mapping W equal to Z square, W equal to Z square, how the mapping of the simple straight line like parallel to x axis and parallel to y axis and infinite strips, and finally we go for the circles image. So first is the mapping W equal to Z square in Cartesian coordinate. So Cartesian coordinate, if you are looking, means so W equal to Z square, where Z equal to x plus I times y, I equal to square root of minus 1. So we will get it as x square minus y square plus 2 times I xy. So this implies u of x comma y equal to x square minus y square, v of x comma y equal to 2 times xy. So it is in the Cartesian coordinate. In polar coordinate, so W equal to, so now here Z is equal to R times e power I theta. So W equal to R square times e power I 2I theta only will come. So here is the polar coordinate is W is R of W of rho comma phi, we can assume. So this implies rho equal to R square, phi equal to 2 times theta. This is the, these are things we have to clearly we can, these are the relationship between the Cartesian and the polar coordinate of the given mapping. Let's begin with the simple straight line. It's parallel to y axis. So x equal to some 2, we take it, x equal to 2 line. So if you draw that line, this is y axis, this is x axis. So x equal to mean this is, so it's parallel to y axis only I want to plot. So this is the line x equal to 2 line. So how it's mapping in the W plane, that is our, this is in the W plane, this is the V axis, this is U axis. So how it's the mapping will be there, that is I want to check it. First I want to write U equal to x square minus y square, v equal to 2 times xy. So this implies x equal to 2 we want to substitute. So u equal to 4 minus y square, v equal to 4 times x 4 times y. So this implies v y equal to v divided by 4. So see, apply in the first equation. So this guy implies u equal to 4 minus v square divided by 16. So v square equal to 4 times 16 is multiplied. So 4 times, so 16 minus 16 times u square, you multiply the minus, so then outside is 16 times u square minus 1, we can write. So this is the parabola, we will get it as like that. So it's a parabola, this is the parabola, this is guy as a 16 comma 0. This is the parabola we get. So parallel to x axis we get the straight line. So here suppose this is as we consider a. So this point will automatically will get that a square comma 0. So a can be positive or negative. So we will get the focus is a square comma 0 only we will get. Now we go for the second straight line y equal to 2. This is parallel to x axis. So x equal to 2, this is the line. So that y equal to 2, this is parallel to x axis. How it's mapping from the w plane? This is v axis, this is u axis. How it's mapping? Now the same idea. So u equal to x square minus 4, because y square is y is 2, so y square is 4 only. So v equal to 4 times x. So this implies x equal to v divided by 4. So you apply in the first equation. So this guys implies u equal to v square divided by 4 minus 4. So this implies u equal to, so v square is 16, sorry, here 16. V square, v is, x is v by 4, x square is v square divided by 16. So v square equal to 16 times 16 plus 16 times u will get. So this is, I can write it 16 times 1 plus u, you will get. The same here also we will get the parabola, but it is the reverse way. So open in the left. So this point is we called, this point is we known as minus 16 comma 0. Suppose here anything will be there. Sorry, here is 4, this is 4. So please change the previous example also. Here is 4 only will come. So because 4ax will be there. So here is 4 is changed. Okay. So here is minus 4 comma 0 only will get it. So whenever it is some c, we will get that minus times c square comma 0 we will get. These are the two straight lines parallel to x axis, y axis mapped to the parabola. Next is, now I want to find some region. This is the third one. So set of all x comma y such that x is lies between some a comma b and y equal to some c comma d. So clearly we want to find, this is the region. I want to first check what is the region looks like. This region is, this is y axis, this is x axis. Now x equal to a line. So this is, I assume that this is x equal to a, this is x equal to b, and this is y equal to, sorry, that is, this is x equal to a, this is x equal to b. So this is x equal to a, this is x equal to b, this is y equal to c, this is y equal to d. So the region is, this is the region we want to find the image under the w equal to z square. So what we want to do means, the each line is how we are going to the plot in the parabola, in the w plane, in the w plane. So first we start with the uv line, we want to plot it. This is u, this is u. Now x equal to a, what you will get it as, x equal to a, you will get the parabola this is a square comma 0. Another is a line is it's greater than the a value, that way only we are assuming that this is b square comma 0. Similarly, y equal to c means we get the one parabola. This is minus c square comma 0 this point. So one more is minus d square. So the regions are, this is our region now, this region, and similarly here this is the region we will get. Under the same square rectangular regions becomes some curved region in between four parabolas. Next we are going to the infinite strip. Infinite strip means x, I will assume that x equal to lies between minus 2 to plus 2. The y is all the line. So then our, first of all I want to see the region in the, this is the x equal to 2. So x equal to 2 line is this one, x equal to minus 2. This is x equal to minus 2. This is x equal to 2. How these line strengths are mapped? In the w plane we are going to, this is v axis, this is u axis. Now x equal to 2, we will get the parabola of this one. So we will get the parabola. This is 4 comma 0 state. So between everything, so it is a very infinite strength. So we will get the all the lines, we will get it, correct. So every points between only we will get it. Every points, these points. So every point here are mapped to here only. These straight lines are mapped to this parabola. This is, it does not make any effect in the plane. So if you are taking x equal to, x lies between 0 to 2 also, we will get the same image only, we will get it under this transformation w equal to z square. So these are the straight lines we are looking. Now first, now we start with the circle, how the circle is mapping. So circle is, so fine, first I start with the circle, center its origin and radius is 1. So that meaning is mod z equal to 1. That circle is how it's. So clearly this circle is, this is a x axis and y axis. Now I want to draw the one unit circle. So this is a circle, radius is 1. I assume that. So radius is 1. Now how it's mapping in the w plane, I want to look it. This is u. So now the same way, if you are going to apply polar coordinate is somewhat fine. The reason is, it's a z equal to, we can write e power I times theta only. So that meaning is our w equal to z square. So this implies w equal to exponential of 2i times phi. So here also we get the, here theta value is lies between minus pi to plus pi. So you will get it as also you get the same circle only you will get, but radius is same 1, because radius is same 1, we will get the circle. So this radius is 1. Now this is not the beauty, but if I change the center as 1, what will happen? That is mod z minus 1 equal to 1. So this is the little interesting one. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Now I will make the straight line. Circle. The radius is 1. So it's not looks like circle. So this is the circle I will make it. The radius is 1, but center also 1. I will take it. Now how this map will happen? Now you take, so this implies Ez equal to 1 plus exponential of I theta. This is the way will come. Now you look, I will take as Z equal to exponential of I theta divided by 2 I take outside. So it's becoming exponential of I theta divided by 2 plus exponential of phi theta divided by 2. So this is nothing but exponential of phi theta divided by 2. So now this is nothing, 2 times cos theta divided by 2. The same unit circle only I am taking, but only center only I am shifting, but looks like the difference. Now W equal to Z square, this implies this is our Z, correct? So our mapping is W equal to 4 times cos square theta divided by 2 times exponential of I theta. So what is the rho? Rho is 4 times cos square theta divided by 2 and phi is theta. Now the same circle is mapped to cardioid. So it is looks like it's a cardioid will come. So this value is 2. Here is minus 2, this is 4, you will get it as. So that is why. So same circle is not mapped to circle, only at center is origin, otherwise it's become cardioid. I hope you understand what is the beauty of Z square transformation, how the straight lines are mapped to parabola and the circles is mapped to different object than the straight line under this one. Thank you for watching this video.